Hello my YouTubers and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video is going to be of how to make a text label that can change text in any time you want. So now let's just get started. For this, before we start, just go to the View tab and make sure, go to the View tab and make sure you've got the Explorer and the Properties open, because these are going to be really important for making this. So now let's just get started. Go back to the Home tab if you want. And for this, adding a screen GUI, just click the Started GUI, click the plus and insert a screen GUI, not a local script. Insert a screen GUI. Then we just click the screen GUI, then click the plus, and then insert a text label, not a text box or a text button or any others, just a text label, because a text label is unclickable, and this thing we're going to do is in this tutorial is an unclickable label, text label. We don't need a clickable. And you can customize it if you want. For me, I'm going to make mine blue, and I'm going to change the font to Flair 1, change the text color to white, and the text stroke transparency, and the text scaled. And you can change the text if you want. You can change the text if you want, but if you can't do it, like if you change the text from label to anything you want, it might work if you can't do it. It might not work if you can. So it's better to keep it as label. So now we're going to click text label, and then click the plus and insert a script, not a local script, but script. Just click a script. This script that we're going to do here does not need any functions or any variables or anything like this. So now we're going to start by saying script dot parent dot text, and we're going to add a space and an equal and another space, and for this add 2 speech marks, because otherwise if it doesn't have speech marks then the script wouldn't work. So now in these speech marks you can add in any text you want the text label to say. You can add any text you want. But for me, I'm going to write testing. And now outside the speech marks, click enter. And now underneath, we say wait. And then inside these brackets, we're going to set the time of how long we want the text to change. For me, I'm going to make one my 5. You can make the time anytime you want to wait. So now we're going to go down and we're going to say script dot parent dot text again equals to 2 speech marks, and then in any text you want. This you may need to do it as many times you want. For this you can do as many times you want. So now I'm going to say it works. And now we need to say the wait again, because that's very important for the script. And guys, you can skip this video if you want until I finish my script. You can skip if you want, because this you might need to do as many times you need. Script dot parent dot text equals to and of course now I just finished the skip thing. So if it was short, doesn't matter if it's short. Now underneath the third script dot parent dot text equals and with the text we want, we're going to say wait, because this is very important, and inside brackets add the time you want. And for this you don't need to add a space. You don't need to click and enter for more of text if you want. Now that's going to be all for me. So now let's just close the script, and whenever you finish your last text, always the last thing to do in the script is add weight and 2 brackets and then the time you want. So now let's just now close the script, and now let's just click play just to test, just to see if it works. And here says testing test. So if I made it wrong, because I'm not good at typing, it says it works. So it means that this script works, which is very good. And sadly can't go from the beginning again. And if you've got any ideas of taking it from the beginning again, please write it on the comments if you've got any ideas of taking it from the end of your text to from the first text. And with this script, you can add as many texts you want. This was a very easy tutorial. This script didn't need any variables or true or false or any functions. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. And if you like my channel, please subscribe if you like my channel. And of course, if you like my video, please give it a like. So this is Pavdi13 leaving. Bye!